Welcome friends. Today I'm going to show you how to attach jhumka with loop and how to put stud base in studs. And for that we need our terracotta jhumkas which are ready after painting, and some studs and one plier, loop which can be golden and silver. Here I'm using bronze, and this stud base, one in golden color and one in silver color. This is for your according to your choice, you can use it. These are the basic material we need for attaching this all. And first thing I'll show you one very important thing. When we make terracotta jewelry, look, I have paint everywhere except this portion which is already a black after baking, so we don't need to paint this side. Why? If we'll paint this side, the acrylic paint, you know what is going to happen when we are going to stick our stud base with any glue, strong glue, that it can come with the paint, because there will be a layer of paint and that can peel off with the stud base. So many people used to do this mistake. Even initially when I start making this kind of jewelry, I used to paint here, but we don't need it because this portion will be covered in here. So we can just stick this like this, and it's already black, so it won't be so much visible. So you don't have to. If you really want to paint after that, then you can just stick first and let it dry, then you can paint all around, then there is no problem. But please don't paint before attaching this. Similarly, this studs, I haven't painted this side. This is already unpainted wall, because I have to stick my stud base, so I didn't paint here. These are the things for the stud base and all, because most of the time it came out. So this is the basic problem, but if we will just take care of this thing, it won't come, don't worry. Now you can see I have a jhumka, very cute jhumka in a bronze color. So here is a loop, okay, and this is also a loop. You will see here one is open side. What we have to do, we have to just open. You can see I opened from one side, and what I have to do, we need to put this portion inside this. You can see, I think you can see. Now it's open, so we need to just close so that it can secure enough. You can see, this is how we can attach our loop. This is so simple. And similarly I have to do for the same also. So this is so simple. You can do it at home, not even only for terracotta. You can make for any clay jewelry or any kind of which you used to make, which is handmade specially. Now I will show you how I used to stick my stud base. I'm taking silver color stud base, and I have mixed my clear glue, which is normally we use for sticking metal things. So you can see it's clear white. So I put all over in my stud base, and I'm going to just stick like this, and then we have to just let it rest. And for jhumka also I'll do same process. I'll take clear glue and I will stick on the side of back. That should be in the center. You can see it's clear, and when it will stick, it will dry properly, it won't be visible. So this is how you can stick stud base with your jhumkas or any studs. and just you have to just let it dry for a whole time. Like whenever you can read the instructions on the glue, how long they should be dry. And don't use fabric glue or any normal glue. I mean not, don't use white glue, that white glue we use for sticking the woods and all. This is especially E2000 normally it comes with that for sticking metal things. That used to be clear. And this is how you can fix your stud base and that ear loops with your earrings. And if you have any confusion or any questions, you can just drop your queries in comment box. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and keep sharing my video with others also, and keep watching. Thank you so much.